Hey guys, Duce here. Just wanted to make a quick short video on the Atom SQ. Not necessarily a tutorial, but more of a troubleshooting thing I came across that I wasn't able to find information online about. So, the Atom SQ, if you don't know, is a controller. Here it is. Specifically, well, it's made by PreSonus, native to Studio One. I also hear it has native functionality to Ableton. I use Studio One, this is why I bought it, for the native controls. If you notice there's a blue light here, that means it's in native mode. Green, it's not native. Basically, when it's connected to any other DAW, it should be green. I believe with Ableton, it should be blue as well. Studio One, it's supposed to be blue. My whole problem was, when I first got it and hooked it up, it was green. It wasn't going into native mode on Studio One, and I could not figure out why. When it's in native mode, you get access to a bunch of menus and functionality that just is much more intuitive to use with Studio One. It just makes a lot more sense. It's really well done. When it's not in native mode, it's just a general MIDI controller, which is fine, especially if you're using it for something else, but I wanted all those functionalities. That was the reason for buying it. I disconnected it from a hub and connected it directly to the computer. Instantly went to native mode and solved the problem. So if you're using it, try not to use it on a hub. I only have like a couple of different hubs, and I tried them both just to see they weren't working. So I don't know, maybe some hubs work, some don't. Either way, the hubs I have didn't work. Plugged it directly in the computer. It went straight to native, turned blue. Everything worked beautifully. That's the solution to the problem. There's no documentation out there about it, so at least then that I could see it was easily findable. So hopefully this helps somebody. I appreciate it. If this content helped you, if you found it interesting, please subscribe. I also upload beats to this channel. You can also go to my beat store, duceraybeats.com, beat stars as well, or Duce Ray Beats. I'll put links to those down below. Atom SQ, straight in the computer. Works much better. See you later.